Illinois National Bank's grand opening celebration was a windy, wonderful event. President and CEO Sarah Phelan thanked the community for welcoming INB. Then we let the feuding hillbillies get the party started. Thanks to our landlord, our guests enjoyed the shade of the covered tenant parking lot. Kathy Greer, who manages our retail operations, checked guests in. Justin Gensler, Tom Hooley, Evan Westlake, and Nadine McKenzie have all been instrumental in getting our Champaign operation up and running. INB CFO Brett Tiemann was on hand to meet guests. Kelly Himmelberg and Jenny Snow of the bank's HR department stopped by our Fairmount branch before heading to Champaign. Chris Tennis hosted last year's grand opening party in Bloomington. This year he joined staff and guests on yet another big milestone. It was an extremely gusty day, but our guests powered on. Mark Donovan of our commercial lending staff used his time in Champaign to meet new people. Mortgage lender David Nelson seemed to enjoy his first IMB celebration. Bank employees Noel Barnes, Trip James, and Tom Gill may work in different locations, but they enjoyed getting the chance to meet Champaign customers.